3 out of the 4 people charged in connection with the death of Melissa Bartow appeared in court today. While it doesn't seem like much happened, with 2 of those cases being continued and 1 being waived, the defense says that's not the case. In fact, this could be a glimpse of what's to come. The family of Melissa Bartow filing into a Butler County courtroom today to face 3 out of the 4 men charged in connection to her death. The hearings lasting only minutes. James Howard George facing conspiracy to commit murder among other charges, waiving his hearing. Joshua Bowser, charged with hindering and 2 counts of conspiracy, continued. And the ex-boyfriend of Bartow, accused of killing her, Ishmael Ramsey, charged with criminal homicide and tampering with evidence, also continued. Not before the state added new charges against him, including hindering and 3 counts of conspiracy. Ramsey's attorney, Blaine Jones, telling the judge he needs more time to look over the amended complaint, as well as mounds of evidence, including Facebook posts allegedly made by Ramsey around the time of the crime. After the hearing, telling me Howard George's decision to waive his case is a telltale sign of what's down the road for his client.
You don't just waive a homicide case without something being on the other side. So we anticipate that Mr. Howard George will be testifying for the state, and we'll be prepped up and we'll be ready to cross-examine Mr. Howard George.
That could also determine how these cases are tried.
I would expect that we'll join them for trial, but obviously we have witnesses who are conspirators who are going to testify against each other. So we'll join in at the beginning, I would think, and then determine from there how we're going to proceed with the cases.
The state says the investigation into Bartow's death is far from over. In fact, more charges could be filed. And until that's done, they're not prepared to say whether or not Bartow's death was premeditated or whether or not this is a capital case. Only the beginning of additional heartbreak for a family still left asking why. In Butler County, Caitlin Sykes, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.